Hi everybody, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the Mr. T2 pre-treat machine. Now this machine will be good if you have a RI1000 and RI1000X or the RI2000. Let's go ahead and look inside this machine. As you can see, you have a dual nozzle system. My nozzles are positioned at an angle. That's to prevent any heavy pre-treatments from being laid down in the center of the shirt. The system also has a wet capping feature and seems to be powder coated. We also have a nice LED right here so you can see how it's pre-treating. We're going to go towards the left side of the machine and we're going to see our containers. So we have 4 containers. The first container right here, that's going to be for your distilled water. That's going to be used when you want to clean out your system at the end of the day. The way to use these containers or these reservoirs is going to be to close the water, or the distilled water, and you open up your pre-treatments. Now at the end of the day, if you want to clean this out, you would close your pre-treatments and you would open up your distilled water. So right now we're going to pre-treat, so we're going to close the water and we're going to open up the pre-treatments. If you go towards our display panel, you can see that we have a round trip, which is bi-directional. If we unselect that, it's unidirectional. We also have a chart here where it's going to pre-treat, and it has some program settings. So if I go to program 4, it's only going to pre-treat the left side of the machine. If I go to program 5, it's going to pre-treat the right side. I'm going to go to program 1, and I'm going to set my value to 20, or volume to 20. Looking at our chart, if I do unidirectional, it's going to lay down 15 milligrams. Our pre-treatments, if I do bidirectional, is going to be 30 mLs. You come over here towards the far right of the screen, you can see there is a scan feature. So this will let you know when you're programming it, where are you going to start pre-treating and where are you going to stop. I'm going to go ahead and press really quick so you guys can see how the laser travels across the machine. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open her up and put a shirt in there. Now before I actually pre-treat the shirt, I'm going to do the clean function so you guys can see how those nozzles spray. Once again, this is an enclosed machine. It's going to be a good machine to have in an area where you might not have a lot of space next to your unit and you don't want to manually pre-treat, or with the Wagner sprayer, you don't want to get pre-treatment all over your working area. This would be a good option for you. I'm going to go ahead and place the clean function here so you guys can see how those nozzles spray. I'm going to go ahead and put my shirt in and I'm going to press start. Bringing out my shirt, you guys can see there's not a heavy amount of pre-treatment down the middle. That means my nozzles are positioned correctly. I'm gonna go ahead and squeegee my shirts. I do this to get some of the pre-treatment into the garments and also lay down some of the fibers. There we go. Okay guys, so this machine will be available at the Ricoh website. You're going to see that Mr. T1, the Mr. T2. We're also going to have the EcoFreen pre-treatments. That is going to be a concentrated pre-treatment, so the mixing ratio is 2:1. So it's 1 portion pre-treatment to 2 portions distilled water. These guys, make sure you use distilled water, not regular tap water. Alright everybody, thank you for joining us today. I'm going to go ahead and press some of these shirts. I'm going to start pressing at 330 degrees for 30-second intervals to see how many times I got to do it to get the machine dry. I'm also going to do some prints and we'll get back to you guys with more information. Thank you for joining us guys. Please don't forget again to subscribe. That's going to be the red R towards the bottom right. Leave us some comments. Let us know what you guys think. Any videos you guys want to see, and we'll get some of those videos posted. Thanks guys and have a good day.